Before we start, ask yourself, is it worth the effort? If a virus is deep in your system, it can leave scars or hidden spywares. Sometimes the smartest move isn't cleaning, it's backing up your data and doing a fresh install Windows. It's the only way to be 100% sure you are safe, but if you see weird file extensions, you are likely hit by ransomware. Stop, don't delete the virus yet. If you kill it too early, you might lose the chance to decrypt your files. Use sites like No More Ransomware first to see if there is a key to get your data back.
In this life experiment, you will learn how to clean up infected PC. Well, for letting you know what we're dealing with here, it's Ramnit. It's not a normal virus. It's a file infector. Means it doesn't just sit in one folder. It spreads like a disease and infects your healthy apps like Chrome or your games. Once it's inside, it steals your bank and password information. But the worst part is, even if you deleted the meme virus, it can come back to life from your infected files. And this type of malicious code belongs to hardware attack, like you plug in or plug out USB flash drive and it's run automatically. So to clean up infected computer, follow this step. Type in command prompt after you're running it as administrator, task list space dash V and hit enter from your keyboard. This report we extracted from the CMD, it tells us who exactly started this file. This is how I spotted the virus. It was hiding in the background, but this command stripped it away. It's a cover and showed me its true face. It is the easiest way to find out if a program is lying to you. And believe me, after all, don't trust antivirus. Because the answer of this question is super simple. The comparing in front of your eyes. The secret to cleaning a PC isn't just what tool you use, but when you use it, always start with a tool that disinfects, fixes files like Kaspersky before you using tools that deleted everything like Avera that who died at least 1,000 times, I guess. You want to kill the virus, not your installation Windows. How to recognize if your PC infected. Here is the best part for you. All you have to do is to take the report just we generated and feed it to an AI like ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot on your Windows. Just ask the AI to analyze the report for any suspicious behavior. It will scan every process for you and point out exactly which programs is acting weird. Just focus on potentially worth checking. Not theme definitely. I know this program and Century I.exe. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, that's right. Century I. That's the malware I have been looking for. I searched every pass manually and I killed all the process in PowerShell, but you will be satisfied with the AI result and you don't have to put any effort. Once the virus is gone, your job isn't finished. You need to follow the post-infection protocol. First, change every single password, especially for your bank account and email. But do it from a different and clean device. Second, reset your browser settings to remove hidden tracks. Finally, enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Cleaning the PC kills the virus, but sourcing your account stops the hackers. And that's gonna take us to technical part with the place that most of hackers hate, PowerShell. Before we start this part, I created every code infected inside my system. Why I did something such as this? For educational purposes. To be honest, when I saw the number, it catched 30 object. I was completely surprised, almost, and probably the virus get pregnant, maybe. So 30 object is a huge number. It's tremendous. Kill a virus process through PowerShell, and this part most of hackers hate it because you can control any process inside the C drive, no matter how deep this file inside. The first command is You render, it scans every hiding layer of your system to smoke the virus out. It's hiding, this will find it. The second command is the execution. It's a search and destroy mission. It finds the files and wipes them off your device. You can also extract signature certificate and the path and the directory and even the hash key to scan it through virus total. And remember all of this just to keep your data protected.